Eden. So let's go to the fishing village. This one. Dako ni tatag na dako. Then mag-inquire na lang taong sa ilang. Hello po, good morning. Sa inyo ibigay yung ano? Ticket? Wala. 10 o'clock no, 10 o'clock, okay pa. I mean 9 o'clock, it's okay, it's too early.
Hello. Magandang replicate
Eden Nature Park with my family here in Davao City. Ayan. So we will do the fishing. And then we have consumable.
Turo mo yung kung saan nahuhuli yung ito.
We have 7,600 pesos consumable. So we have to do the catch and cook type of food here.
Pagtutur tayo ng 9. Tour ng 9. Ayan. Ay, Jude, para namang mga balyena yata alaman. Ay, lalaki.
We're waiting for the shuttle to take us on a tour. It's like an hour long, and then when we come back we'll do the fishing, and then we'll order some other food and drinks to consume the entrance. So ayan, yun na natin. Ito yung ano ba yan, catfish? Or tilapia?
Catch fish.
Catch the fish.
Ito.
Let's go down there. Let's see.
8 minutes.
Bababa man yung tour guide dito. I'll go there. Okay. Hala, wag kang tumalon dyan, ha?
And then this is tilapia pond. Tour. Let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Okay, so everybody, hello, good morning po, welcome to Eden sa Mabal Madayang. My name is Sheila po, your guide for this hour, then driver natin Kuya Mohan. So yung tour po natin takes 45 minutes to 1 hour. You have 3 stopover po, the flower garden, tinubdan, then lolasgarden. So every stopover you have 5 minutes for taking pictures. Then pasensya na po na mamaosa kasi may ubo doon. Okay, so everybody, so far that's our fishing. So dyan kayo galing po, so dyan kayo kakain mamaya.
Yeah.
So far you know about the fishing naman ma'am, no? Tilapia din dito yung mabibili. Everyone, love area po, that's our deer pen. Extension siya sa deer park po namin para makita yung deer sa malapitan. So by the way, it's a native deer from Mindoro, from Philippines on.
Oh, yun ang deer natin?
Yes.
Oh.
They call that mouse deer daw kasi
Mouse
para
deer.
siyang
Parang siyang daga.
far right po, that's our Vista Cottages. Pagtanan nyo na, maririnig mo kami. 2 person yung kasha po dyan, so good for the lovers and honeymooners. So, sila mga lovers dyan, pwede kayo magpabook. Kung walang lovers po, self-love na lang muna. So, love yourself. Yes.
Ano namang unan?
Then, that's our deer park po. So,
Deer
kaya may
park.
deer park.
So, local din to?
Oh, yes sir. Same sa deer pen po. Parang extension na yun doon. So, by the way po, we start a 1 pair of the deer. And as you can see, there's endangered species. So, we propagating them or pinapadami. From 1 pair po, they are more than 30 na po ngayon from 1 pair. Then, malalaman natin yung gender ng deer. Ang may sungay, or may sungay, yun yung lalaki. Yung wala po, yun yung babae. So, kumbaga, napakabait ng mga babae. Kasi wala lang sungay.
Puto lang sungay.
Puto lang sungay.
Pero may latigo.
May latigo. May latigo. Disagree. Pasensya na sir, parang mali yung guide nyo ngayon. So everybody, welcome to our hydroponics process. Hydro means water quality. So where we grow these lettuce, blooming, red salad lettuce, and caligula. So we call this hydroponics because it's used by water and giniling na punot or coconut husk. So it's a soilless way of planting. So bagong harvest yan kasi nakot kaya walang
Consume namin ito mamaya.
Yes, ito sa order nyo na vegetable salad.
Okay.
So we do not use pesticide on that vegetables or organic.
So saan ang gagaling doon? Doon sa mga fish pond yun?
Yung water? Hindi po, cycle lang siya.
So nilalagyan nyo siya ng fertilizer?
We do not use fertilizer.
Okay. Tomato.
Okay, so everybody po on your right. So we have the holiday lodge. 3-person yung kasya dyan and with 3 branches already. Across the road on your left, so that's our holiday terraces. A small multi-level function area can accommodate 70 person.
Oh.
So good for conventions and seminars. Okay, so everyone, we have the mangosteen trees po on your left. So that's the trees of the mangosteen. So that's the durian tree. The only one tree yan yung durian. So it's a native durian kaya siya mataas. Now entering the first stop over the flower garden. So we have a different kinds of flowers, imported and local. If you are plantitas or plantitas of course, for your eyes only, so refrain from eating. So wala po si Ilian. By the way po, you can roam around for picture. Then later po mag-group picture po tayo. After nyo mag-solo-solo. Ano na solo picture?
Parang napahiya ka ata. Pinunta natin sa Canada dito ah.
Okay, you can go down.
Siguro pa ng citrus. Lahat na ano.
Lahat ng anggo. Nindot yan na.
Bang!
Lagay dito no.
Ayun lagi si Jenny Lakaw. Jenny.
Maki-ride lang ba?
Ay,
Dito, live dito.
dire sa okay doon.
Nasaan si Jason?
Picture na kayo.
Oh, picture na.
Picture na. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so everybody, both side is our mangosteen. So it's part of the 3 hectares. It's very good already. Let's start na siya. Then, rainbow pass, so dadaan tayo dyan sa rainbow pass. Kasya. Ito na sila siya. So now, we're passing through the rainbow pass. Every arc na may mga flowers. So kung namumulaklak para din siya, rainbow color. Flower, ornamental plants or flower nursery. It's not person siya binibenta at pinatanim lang special flower area. Then total area ng resort is 75 hectares and 60 of which are fully developed. Eden is a private area not government. Then owned by Ayala family. So pagmamayari siya ng Ayala family. Ayala here in Davao only, not related with Ayala Subel in Manila. So local Ayala here in Davao.
Okay. Oh, may mga katutubo dito.
Yes,
Sa mga
sir.
Mindanao eh.
Mabuhay! Huwag mariyaw! El sa latoy, butagi panunim ng maokoy!
ang mga
Group
dancers.
picture.
Mababait po iyan. Di yan nangangagat.
Tumatahol lang.
Madaya na pagkanin. Wow.
Wala naman nagpipicture sa'yo.
Humana!
Hoy! Yes, darling. Si Ingkong lapu-lapu, picture kami. Ha? Oy, sorry.
Mana?
Ah.
That is house.
And of course, we are going to our last stopover. We call that lolasgarden. Yung makikita niyo sa areas na of Davao, the visual at the Carabao. Ang yung Carabao namin sobrang masigi yung nagre-reklamo. Pwede kayong sumakay doon. So you can ride our Carabao. But before that, we have the vegetable garden. So that's the Japanese people who do Okay now, hold on kasi we're going down. Bababa po tayo. So, hawakan yung katabi mo siya. So, everybody on your lower left is another organic vegetable garden. Available in selected supermarket downtown. Simply complete the ingredients here. That area is the magnificent of Davao City, the Davao Golf, and the Samal Island. Sister company ng resort located siya sa Samal Island, Buena Vista. That area is our herbs and spices, which we use in our main restaurant. So kami for pasta, tea, soup, and ulam or garlic. Here in Eden, we have a dragon fruit sa Pitahaya in Tagalog. So dito po, we have a yellow pitahaya or yellow dragon fruits on board.
Yellow lang?
Yellow kami dito sir, pero mas mahal siya like the other.
Yeah.
Kasi rare lang
Mas
po.
matamis siya.
And in the last stopover, so we have a lot of Manalas. The visual you can make a wish. The of Davao, din yung Carabao namin na sobrang bait ayun po siya. But before you explore the area, mag-picture muna tayo sa view po.